Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to begin. Have the key fob inside the car and standing close. Put your foot on the brake. This signals the car to accept the start command. Once done, confirm the shift lever is in park and all doors are closed so the system won't block ignition. Press the push start button once briefly. The car will enter accessory mode first, then full start when your foot remains on the brake. This sequence prevents accidental starts and protects the transmission. You press the button with your foot on the brake to start the engine. Pressing without the brake only powers accessories. Hold steady. You should hear the starter engage and see most dash lights shut off as the engine runs. If the engine doesn't crank, release and try once more. Avoid long continuous presses. For hybrid models, the engine may seem silent. Make sure the ready indicator illuminates before you drive. These checks ensure the electrical and starter systems function correctly. You're ready to move. Confirm mirrors, hold the brake, then shift into drive. When finished, bring the car to park, set the parking brake, and press the push start to shut the system off. Remove the key fob when exiting. If the car fails to start, first swap the fob battery or try the physical key slot. Next, verify the brake pedal switch and fuses. If problems persist, consult the owner manual or a technician. Don't force the starter, because that risks electrical damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.